Hello family, friends and customers. This is Touch of Class Painting and Handyman Service. What I did was remove the old wood panels and install new sheetrock on every single wall and ceiling. This is the final product before painting. It's been primed. It's been high-speed sanded. It's just unbelievable the way this came out. I merged the two sheetrocks together on the ceiling, and as you can see in this area, it's round. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I am very impressed of my work here. Heating boards. What I did was install new brackets behind it because they kept coming off. So now, as you can see there on there, all I gotta do is just remove the screw and they won't fall off anymore. That's gonna be sprayed with the sprayer semi-gloss. It's just unbelievable how nice and smooth it is. Final product really came out nice. The electrician came already. He bumped out the outlets, put new outlets on there. Well, you can call me at 401-696-1650. That is Touch of Class Painting and Handyman Service. I am the owner, Carlos. You can call me anytime for a free home inspection and estimate. This will be my last job doing sheetrock and plaster like this. I will continue on with my other services, but this will be my last job installing new sheetrock on ceiling and walls. I want to thank Jim and his wife Cheryl for allowing me to do work in the house and trusting me in their house with their wonderful dog, Gus. Well, I'd like for those who are watching my videos to hit like on my video. You can subscribe on YouTube. I'm on Yelp and Google. I thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Until the next one.